Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration F17 FFC. 2013 Volkswagen Transporter 2.0 TDI 102 horsepower Kombi L1. It has done 167,000 miles with service history and 2 owners from new. It's a factory-fitted crew cab and has a new cam belt. It comes with alloys, air conditioning, tailgate, parking sensors. A nice T5.1 factory Kombi crew cab finished in black, with only 2 owners and a brand new cam belt service included. The perfect all-rounder for a work-a-family lifestyle. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.